If you want to completely clear your browsing history in Microsoft Edge, this tutorial will show you the fastest and easiest way to do it. Let's get started. Open Microsoft Edge and click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, click Privacy, Search and Services from the left-hand sidebar. Now find the section called Clear Browsing Data. Here, click Choose What to Clear. There's also a faster shortcut. You can instantly open this window anytime by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard at the same time. Once the Clear Browsing Data window appears, you'll see a time range menu at the top. Microsoft Edge lets you remove browsing data from the last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. If your goal is to completely wipe browsing history and stored browser data, choose All Time. Now let's look at the different data types you can remove. Browsing history deletes records of websites you visited. Download history removes the list of downloaded files, although it does not delete the files themselves from your computer. Cookies and other site data sign you out of websites and remove saved website preferences. Cached images and files clear temporary website files stored by Edge to help pages load faster. Clearing cache can also fix websites that are broken, outdated, or not loading correctly. Depending on your version of Microsoft Edge, you may also see options for autofill form data, passwords, site permissions, hosted app data, and media licenses. Keep in mind that deleting certain data may sign you out of websites, remove shopping carts, and reset saved website settings. After selecting the data you want to remove, click Clear Now. Microsoft Edge will begin deleting the selected browsing information. If you haven't cleared your browser in a long time, this process could take some time to finish. There's also another useful privacy feature worth knowing about. Inside the same privacy section, Microsoft Edge allows you to automatically clear certain browsing data every time you close the browser. This can help keep your browsing more private without needing to manually delete history each time. And here's one more important privacy tip. Deleting browsing history from Microsoft Edge removes data stored locally in the browser, but activity connected to your Microsoft account, search engines, websites, or internet provider may still exist separately. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Microsoft Edge tutorials, browser tips, and privacy guides.